Hey, this is Kenneth Purdom with Real Estate Photographer Pro, and I just want to take a few minutes and go over our new online booking system. It's very easy. You can do it on our mobile app, which is free. That's available at Real Estate Photographer Pro, or you can go to the website Real Estate Photographer Pro and just click on Book Now. The app is on the home page. It's right here. Download the app. We've got two different versions, Android and iPhone. But let's go to the online store, and I'm going to go over the online store. So this is every version of every item we have that I'm showing here. When you log in, you will put in your property and your square footage, and it will be filtered down to the items that would be related to that square footage. So you're not having to go get all of the items at one time. But for this video, I'm going to show all of the items so you can get a quick overview of what we do, our capabilities, and all of our options. So the first thing that always displays is our marketing kits. So we call it a listing launch pad. This is everything you would need except for videos. It's floor plans, it's website, it's all of your social media content created for you. It's a property website, and there are 4 different levels. There's a $3.99, a $4.99, $6.99, and an $8.99. So let's just look at this. 35 photos here for the $3.99. Aerial drone photos, 15. 2D floor plan covers up to 2,000 square foot. It's our highest edit, which we call ColorRight technology. And then we make sure that on every photo shoot, we do sky replacement. We also, on this level with the ColorRight technology, do TV screen replacement. So you're just not getting a plain black screen. We put something on the screen that would complement the home. Property website, social media, power pack, printable flowers, excuse me, printable flyers, weekly traffic report, and seasonal updates. I'll show you more about that in just a minute. We also give you, with every photo shoot, we give you a $100 referral code. With anything that you purchase from us, we give you a $100 referral code. Get a property description, free stock photos, and search engine optimization and lead generation. So that means you have a property website and you can generate leads because the website is search engine optimized for that property. So when people Google that property, it will come up in their search. We also do a database announcement. So we announce it to our groups that we're involved in, and we email it to our email list. So these are called listing launchpad. Now here's some examples of what's in there. When you go to Real Estate Photographer Pro and go down to Marketing Kit, you'll see examples of what's included in the marketing kit, but I'm actually going to show you a marketing kit now. So these are examples of the reels that are included in the social media launchpad. So you would have several different reels. You're going to have over 100 pieces of social media content. It's more than enough. And then every few weeks, it will change. So you see an Easter theme here now. So you've got reels, you've got stories, and in each category, there's other options. So this is the reels, and these are pre-made for you, ready to go. And then every few weeks, the themes change out so you have fresh content to post about your business and your property. So that's the reels. See how many choices there are just in reels. Those can be uploaded to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, any other social media account you work in. These are static stories. So these are story posts. And again, you have more choices in here. I'm not going to click on that to save some time. You've got square landscape posts. These work good on Facebook. You've got square post here, more choices. Everything can be edited too in our marketing kit. You've got a Pinterest post, so you can post on Pinterest. Pinterest accounts are good to have because they're search engine optimized. You got video slideshows. And then you get a QR code for the property. Printable flyers, 3 different versions. You've got a booklet form, 4 pages, booklet form, 8 pages, and then a different layout with the text and another number 3 booklet form where it's laid out just a little bit different for each page. Here are other one-page flyers that are ready to go. You also get weekly reports to see who's visiting your website. And that is a quick overview. I'm going to go back to the pricing. So let's go down to the next level. Let's say you're not interested in having a listing launch pad. You're not interested in having all that social media. You don't need a property website. Let's go down to, we do have a commercial property category. So if you're doing commercial property, when you order, it'll separate you and send you over to a commercial property, but I'm not going to cover that right now. We've got the basic listing packages, which is photos, drone photos, floor plan, and ColorRight technology. That's our highest in edit. It's the highest in edit that you can do. It's ColorRight, it's accurate, it's crisp and clean. We've got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different packages there. So that's 4 major packages, basic listing packages with several different options there. And then we have, this is new, the essential package. This is photos only. These are basic edits. We call them Edit Pro. And we've got several different packages there. And that's our lowest price point. So if you have a property where you need to be very low on the price, you need to be economical, there's no reason to go to any other vendor or search. You've got the essential package right here. It's photos only, the basic edit, and we've got every property size covered. Then you can do aerial drone photos. If you just need to order drone, we've got packages for that. If you need to add aerial notations to your drone photos, we can do that. If you need aerial videos, we can do that. We've got that right here. If you just need floor plans only, we can come out and do that. But in most of our packages, floor plans is a part of the marketing packages, and it's a part of the basic packages. But if you get in a situation where you just need us to come do floor plans, we can do that. We can also do 3D color floor plans. And then we have listing boosters, add-ons. You can buy 10 reels. You can buy video slideshows, property websites, property flyers, grass replacement, drone grass repair, sunset, virtual landscape, exteriors, where if you need the, like in the fall, you want everything to be green, we can do that. You can do room renovations, you can do pro staging, you can do small item removal, medium item removal, and large item removal. And we can do professional handwritten by a human copywriting. If you need a blog or if you need something done to promote the property, we can take care of that for you. We can do Zillow 3D tours. Those are starting to be more popular. We can take our floor plans and turn those into 3D video walkthroughs. They're animated, but if you've got a property that's not finished, it's under construction, or maybe it's just not ready and you want to show it in its best light, we can take the 3D floor plan and turn it into a 3D rendering walking through the property. But it is a virtual version of the property, computer animated, so it's going to show it at its best. We can also do add-ons here. We can do next day delivery guaranteed by 10 o'clock in the morning. You may or may not need that, and then you would just put in your address and be ready to go. So that's a basic overview. If you want to see any examples, you go to Real Estate Photographer Pro, click on Services, and we have a page for every product and service. And then we also have creative options. If you don't see something in our shopping cart and you have an idea, a concept, or you've seen something somewhere else and you would like for us to do that, we can probably help you with it. We have several editors on our team. We have about 19 editors, 4 admin people, and we have a couple of people helping us with marketing. So these are examples on our service page of everything. But again, if you've got something special, you just click on Book Now. If you're doing residential property, we go to the residential section. If you're doing commercial property, we go to the commercial section. Drone only, Special request, you go right here, give us an idea of what you need, and we will take care of it. Like, for example, you do your own photos. For some reason, we can edit those photos for you and then deliver those photos back to you. So you would just fill out this form, send us a link to the photos that you did. We will send you a quote. If you accept the quote, we will edit your photos for you. Very easy to do. Sometimes you have to take photos when you're there, and we can help you clean those up. Let's see, did we miss anything? If I did, you can go right here to the website. Our phone number is right here, 615-310-7171. Text or call. If you've got a really creative project, go right here to schedule a discovery call, and we can schedule a meeting with you and go over your ideas for the project and make sure we're on the same page. And maybe something like a farm, like we've got here, where you want a story to be told. We can help you create a story for that property and improve the marketing opportunities. All right. Thank you. This is Kenneth Purdon with realestatephotographerpro.com.